Resolving a trap in Sage Mobile is as simple as tapping on the trap to bring it forward, and then tapping the Resolve button listed next to Update Condition. And when you go to resolve a trap, you can toggle either Replaced or Repaired. So I'm going to show both options here. If we are just simply repairing it, we tap on the repair type, select which thing we did to repair the trap, whether it was repriming it or remove debris, depending on the condition. Add any notes that are pertinent. And if we're going to replace the trap, we just toggle the replaced. Update any characteristics. So in this case, it was replaced with a 2011. So I'm going to go ahead and update that. Put in the connection size and the PMO, and then save it. And the trap has been resolved.